Engines rely on oil for smooth operation, but not all oils are the same. Graphene's thermal conductivity helps keep the engine cooling. Less friction equals better combustion equals lower carbon emissions. Emission reduce 70%. Compatible with most engines, requiring no modification. Reduced engine heat 0.50%. Graphene engine oil offers advanced performance, lower friction. Reduced friction by 50%. Increase pickup point for 2%. Today, we compare graphene, engine oil and regular engine oil to see which performs better.